Hi folks, my name's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a yarn review. I'm going to be reviewing Cascade Yarns Fixation. It's a great yarn that I use for a lot of my Knitty Kitty patterns, and I wanted to share with you today why I love this yarn so much. So let's get started. First off, I want to let you know that I am not an affiliate of Cascade Yarns. I just use their yarns so often for my Knitty Kitty design patterns that I wanted to share with you how you could use it in your knitting and crochet projects and why I like it so much. Okay, so this is the Fixation yarn. It comes in a ball like this. It's a 50-gram ball. It's about 100 yards. It's 98.3% cotton and 1.7% spandex. It's slightly thicker than yarn you would use for knitting lace or delicate items, but it's a little thinner than the most commonly used medium weight worsted yarn, so it's just right. So I use Fixation yarns in my Knitty Kitty design patterns, especially in my bras and panties, because of the cotton blend that's in the yarn, and in particular the spandex that's added to the cotton. Because of the spandex in the yarn, it allows a piece to be nice and snug and comfy. And in regards to my brand Knitty Kitty, which is loungewear and underwear, it just hugs the curves in all the right places, and so it really accentuates your figure and makes you look great, I think. Also, cotton yarn sometimes feels a bit rough to me, for instance knitted dishcloths. But this Fixation is super soft and really comfortable against the skin. It's also machine washable, so you can wash your garments over and over that you've knitted with this yarn. It says to lay flat to dry, but I do throw my knitted pieces in the dryer and they come out like jeans, where it's a bit snug at first, but then once you put it on, it forms to your figure. So I think that's a nice bonus. The price online is between $5 and $6 a ball, and they do come in like 18 colors, solid colors maybe, and various dyed colors as well. So there's a lot of colors to choose from, which makes it a really versatile yarn to play with because you can make so many different pretty things. I'm using Fixation yarn for a knit along that I'm currently doing. I have a free knitting pattern for leg warmers, and I'm using Fixation in that pattern because I want the piece to hug the leg and not get slouchy, so you could wear the leg warmer for a long period of time and it will still look good. And if you want that free pattern as well, I'll include it in the show notes below, and then you can try Fixation yarn for yourself. Well, I hope this review has helped you decide to try Cascade Yarns Fixation. If it has, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And also let me know in the comments what project you plan on making with Fixation yarn. I'd love to see what project you create. So don't forget to subscribe for more yarn reviews and knitting tips. And until next time, happy knitting!